Welcome back guys, this is Shrikant. Today we are going to talk about controlling behavior with expression. This is very important topic. We created a video on the expression, and with the expression we have seen how to change the value dynamically, how to write the custom logic for the different purposes. But based on these expression value we can change the behavior. For example, let's say I want to say change the color of the objects. So how I could do that? So I'm going to show you how to change the behavior or how to change the working based on the expression, based on the different customized value. Okay, so let's go to the data tool. This is our data tool. Now here, I want my requirement is basically when there is a company ID 1, that time I should see color of the rows green. Okay, field color basically. So how I could do that? This is basically simple example that how to control the behavior. So just click on a property window. Here see, for everything, right? For example, I'm coming here, you will see one important thing, expression. For everything actually there is a thing called as expression. Let's say I want to change the intent, so here also we have the thing called as expression along with the option. So you can write your own customized logic, but now I am going to give you demonstration with the background color. I want to change background color if the company ID is equal to 1, else I want to make it to different color. So my requirement is just to select a specific row or a table. You can simply select the table, because this is not the row specific, this is basically table specific. So select table. I selected table called as a table underscore row, and then going to the background. Now currently it's a no color, right? So what I will do, I will go to the expression. For every property we have expression. Now here I want to write the condition. How I will write? So I will write a condition. I'm going to talk about this function later. So there is a function called as if function, and here first we need to give some condition. I'm giving condition like if 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 company ID is equal to 1, then great. This is quite complicated, but just try to understand, then make it yellow. Let's see what happens. See, if you get error, don't worry. Click on a preview. Let's see if anything happened or not. So what exactly happened? If the company ID value is 1, then it changed to 1. So that's a generic one. Now my requirement is quite different. My requirement is basically what I'm going to do. I'm going to the expression, because basically I don't want to change the table level thing. I want to change the now row level thing. So I'm just giving some default value white. Okay, fine. Now just to revert it back again, just play around this different feature. Okay, now my requirement is when the for the data, if see, try to understand, if the company ID is 1, then I should see color equal to red, otherwise yellow, for the data part, not for the header one. So how I do that? I will simply select the row, then I will go to its properties, then I will go to expression, and here I will write a code. I will simply write IIF is kind of function if else. So in first parameter is basically boolean, or the condition you need to get, and you will select the company ID here. If the company ID is equal to 1, then what? Then I want to make the color equal to red, else I want to make the color as equal to the yellow. Yellow, right? Perfectly fine. So this is a code, and now let's see what happened. The moment I click on a preview, I'll change the view and I'll see the output. See, where the company ID is equal to 1 for a specific row, the color would become red, and if the value is not equal to 1, that's a company ID, the value that the color become the yellow. So this is basically the controlling the behavior of object. You can do anything, right? So sometime, sometime what happen, we see the numbers, we see the revenue, profit and other some major, and we want to track them, or we want to focus on a specific value. If the value went down to this, then each color should be red. So to make it eye catchy, to make the behavior or to make the data more understandable, we need to have a control over the data. And for getting the control over the data, we need to go with the expression, we need to go with a conditional logic, and this is the way we can do it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video and learn a lot with the controlling behavior with expression, right? And thanks for watching.